Mm.
All officers, Alpha team, go down.
Dito na kami sa
Entering the
271.
area, bro.
271, nandito na kami sa 271. Bravo team, nandito na kami. Alpha team.
Eagle Eye.
Eagle Eye to Alpha and Bravo team. So far, hindi siya labas, over.
Without any visual against the building, over.
Pag lumalayo ko, nag-iiba yung kulay eh.
So,
Pupukpukon na
alright,
naman ako.
SAP team, can I have your attention please? So currently, meron tayong operations na kakandak dito malapit lang sa area natin. Papasukin natin ito, i-raid natin to, lahat tayo naka-guns out. So magbubuo tayo ng Alpha and Bravo team. So si Alpha team ang bahalang mag-execute sa back door, si Bravo team ang bahala naman mag-execute sa front door. And then yung mag-i-eagle is siya yung magso-survey ng ating area para maging safe yung executions natin. Operate. Then the lieutenants, alam niyo naman na yung mga trainings natin. So apply natin ngayon dito and also turuan natin, i-assist din natin si UNG kung paano nagta-tactical operations and nag-assault operations ang Special Action Force unit pagdating sa circumstances. Any contacts na ma-encounter natin, pag hindi naman armed yung mismong personnel, wag natin siyang wag tayo magpapaputok, wag tayo magdi-disperse ng bala. That's it. But if meron tayong nakita ang armed suspect, we are clear to engage.
Kiss po muna.
Alright, we're good, we're clear.
Yes, sir. Hawu,
Yes,
hawu.
sir.
Alright.
274, I repeat 274.
274 copy.
This is Alpha proceeding to the assigned raid operation, over.
This is Eagle 1, ready for takeoff.
Alright, that's solid copy. All units, please proceed with precaution. I repeat, please proceed with precaution, over.
All officers, Alpha team, go down.
Dito na kami sa
Entering the
271.
area, bro.
271, nandito na kami sa 271. Bravo team, nandito na kami. Alpha team.
Eagle Eye.
Eagle Eye to Alpha and Bravo team. So far, hindi siya labas, over.
Without any visual against the building, over.
Wala akong thermal, General.
Okay. Proceeding to the building left side, over. All Alpha, go.
Negative. Nasa hotel area kayo. Nandito kami sa 271. I repeat, 271. Sa Liquor Ace.
271.
Air unit pa survey ng area.
10 for solid
Okay. Balik yung mga Alpha.
271 pala.
Alpha team, Bravo team is currently standing by. We're in position.
Ikaw lang drive.
Eagle Eye to Alpha and Bravo team. So
Ano
far,
kayo?
so good naman
Navy,
yung area sa
Navy.
labas.
Give kiss.
Over and out.
Dapat
Solid copy.
Bago
Bravo,
kayo, ano?
Alpha team, nasa na kayo?
sakay.
Proceeding.
Nakabulsa yung baril.
Eagle Eye to Bravo and Alpha team. So far, wala rin naman sakin sa labas ng area. Over and out.
Copy. So, Alpha team, proceed na kayo sa backdoor. You can proceed na. Tapos,
Copy that.
inform nyo na lang kami kung mag-engage na kayo.
Okay. All Alpha, sa likod.
Good po.
Bravo team standing by, waiting for coordination.
I spotted stair upstairs. Heading forward. Alpha, go.
Copy
Clear
that.
to head to clear to head to upstairs.
There's a door. It's locked. Open. Back door is open. Proceeding inside, over.
Copy. We're on the side.
Spread, Alpha. Spread.
Nothing here. Negative.
This is Alpha to Bravo, over. We're inside
Go
the
ahead.
building. We have spotted a laboratory and spotted any suspicious person.
Copy. Alright. So, Sergeant EUNG, ito. Dito nagluluto ng illegal na droga. So pag minatahan nyo yan, yan yung process.
Ay, oo nga. Ngayon ko lang po ito nakita.
Alright. Good work, team. Air unit, anong status? Over.
Eagle Eye, clear naman dito sa labas.
That for solid copy. Clear dyan dito sa loob. We're good.
good.
Eagle Eye to Alpha and Bravo team. You are clear to engage. Over.
Copy that. Proceeding into engagement to area, over.
That for solid copy. Proceeding. Same thing. Bravo, backdoor. Alpha, front door.
Alpha, proceed with it.
Guns. We have
Spotted the
visuals.
house. Do you have a visual? Checking the front door, over.
We have spotted local civilian here.
Proceeding,
Eagle Eye to Alpha and Bravo
front.
team. Stay sharp and safe. Over.
Copy that. Heading to the underground.
Ano naman? Clear left. Proceeding dito sa area sa baba.
Spotted the laboratory under the ground house of the suspicious.
Okay, moving in. 3, 2, 1. Police! Sector clear. Sector clear. Repeat, sector clear. Please conduct the code 6.
Copy that. Code. Proceeding with code 6. Okay.
Dito yung lutuan ng isa pa.
Reporting to the code 6, I have spotted petroleum and potassium for the ingredients of the chemicals.
Possible to use as illegal substance. Bravo.
Copy that.
Ang ina.
Copy.
And there's also ethanol and alcohol.
Copy.
Pogi.
Mukhang nakatakas na rito yung mga sindikato.
Oh, bakit?
Based on my investigations, mainit-init pa at na bagong luto yung iba.
Team, dito na ako sa location. Over.
Copy that. Conduct with code 6. Over.
10-4. Conducting.
On Alpha,
Standby.
go down. Stand by for the instruction of the head.
Okay, go ahead. General, you're clear to
Please standby.
Okay, Alpha, conduct code 6. Proceed with the building, over.
10 for salt.
Please standby.
Stand by.
Copy,
Hold.
Hold.
This is Eagle Eye to Alpha and Bravo team. Please proceed with precaution. Over.
Copy that.
10 for salt, copy.
Alpha team, Bravo team, go.
Proceeding.
Back doors locked.
No signs of illegal activity. But we have a bunch of marijuana.
So, must be a plantation, over.
Bravo, Alpha team is standing by.
Copy that, 10-4.
Ganyan to yan.